Alright, crypto traders. Buckle up because next week, March 16th to the 21st, could be a wild ride in the crypto markets. Bitcoin is testing key resistance levels, Ethereum is showing signs of a breakout, and altcoins are flashing signals you don't want to ignore. Plus, some major global events could shake things up. Let's dive into the latest market trends and what's coming next. Bitcoin has been flirting with the $72,000 level, and traders are watching to see if it finally smashes through or pulls back for a correction. On-chain data suggests whales have been accumulating, but with upcoming FOMC talks and potential rate decisions, we could see increased volatility. Key levels to watch. If BTC breaks above $73,500, we could see a push toward $78,000 to $80,000 next week. If sellers step in, support sits around $68,500, a break below that could bring us back to $65,000 territory. If the broader market remains bullish and no unexpected news hits, BTC could attempt a new all-time high in the coming weeks. Ethereum has been a sleeping giant lately, consolidating between $3,600 and $3,900. But traders are eyeing a breakout, especially with the Ethereum ETF decision looming. A breakout above $4,000 could set the stage for a push to $4,500. If ETH loses the $3,500 support, we might see a retest of $3,200 before the next leg up. Gas fees are spiking again, making Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum and Optimism more attractive. If you're trading altcoins on the Ethereum network, watch those transaction costs. Now, let's talk about some of the hottest altcoins for the upcoming week. Solana, after bouncing from $140, SOL is eyeing $170 plus next week. If bullish momentum continues, $190 is possible. Chainlink, more whale accumulation signals an upcoming surge. Breakout above $22 could send Link to $28 plus. Render AI tokens are back in focus, and Render is benefiting. If demand continues, we could see $10 soon. Macro factors to watch. Crypto never moves in a vacuum, so here are some macro events that could influence the market next week. Federal Reserve meeting, March 20th, rate decisions could impact liquidity in the markets. A dovish stance. Bitcoin rallies. Hawkish. We might see some red. Regulatory headlines, SEC is cracking down on unregistered exchanges. Could there be new lawsuits next week? Stay alert. Geopolitical risks, any global tension could push investors toward Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. Strategy for the week, how to trade smart. So, how should you approach next week? Here's a game plan. If BTC holds $70,000, look for long positions on strong altcoins. If ETH flips $4,000 into support, watch for Ethereum-based DeFi and gaming tokens to rally. Stay cautious on leverage. Whales love liquidating over-leveraged traders. That's your crypto roadmap for March 16th to 21st. Stay sharp, manage your risk, and don't get caught off guard by the big moves coming. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what coin you're watching next week. See you in the next one. Trade smart.